Hi, fifth grade. Hope everyone had a really good week. I feel like I haven't talked to you all in a really long time now that we're only posting one day a week now, but that's okay. Sadly, today will be my last video being posted to you all. So, yeah, but we'll get more into that on the Google Meet today. So, just a little quick reminder, we do have a Google Meet. It is going to take place today from 10 a.m. to 10:30. So come on there, hop on. We're going to be doing a fun little Kahoot with, some fun facts and stuff like that. So yeah, come on for that. And I will say my last goodbyes to you all. Very sad, but we're not going to make this video sad. We will save that for the Google Meet. We're going to go over your lesson. That's what we're going to do. So your lesson today was lesson 19, and you worked with like the attributes of rhombuses and kites and all that. So we are just going to go over that right now. Okay, so this is just like what you've been doing for, I want to say about 2 weeks now, I think. I don't know, time's all messed up, but probably about 2 weeks now I think you guys have been doing this. So all that you have to do is just draw rhombuses and kites and then label them. So that's what we're going to do. So for the first one, it says draw a rhombus with 2 right angles. I just drew a square because it's literally the same thing. And then with 2 right angles, since it's a square, it's going to have 4. So I just did my 4 right angles right there. And then for B, it says a kite with all equal sides. So I kind of messed up drawing this on accident. My ruler like slipped up right here. But so these sides are going to be equal. So the opposite sides are going to be equal. So we have 110, 110, 70, and 70. So that's what that is. And then for C, it says a kite with 4 right angles. So you could just draw a square, but see, if you were to kind of like look at it this way, you can see the kite. So that's kind of what it means by that. So a square is like basically the same thing. So I just drew a square with all equal sides, 4 right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 90 degrees. And then for D, it says a kite with 2 pairs of adjacent sides equal. And then it says the pairs are not equal to each other. So right here we have a kite, and then we have 65 degrees right here, and then 35 down here. So those 2 are not equal. However, these 2 are. These 2 are both 130 degrees. And then we have our lines that we wrote right here that stands for equal and all that. So we have these 2 which are not equal, and then these 2 which are opposites and are equal. So that was this. It wasn't too bad. And the back side of this also wasn't too bad either. So for the back side of this, for 3A, it says list the properties shared by all of the squares that you worked with today. So a rhombus, a kite, square, kind of just, they're basically the same thing. They may look different, but if you were to kind of flip them and look at them in a different way, then they look different, but they are the same. I don't know if that makes sense, but so basically I said that all 4 sides are equal in measure. So all the squares that we worked with today, so these, all 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, they were equal in measure. And then they had 4 right angles, which equal 90 degrees. So that was 3A. Now going on to 3B, it says list the properties shared by all of the kites that you worked with today. So with all the kites that we worked with, we had 2 consecutive sides that were equal in length, and then 2 remaining sides that were also equal in length. So these were the kites. So we had 2 consecutive sides equal in length, and then the remaining ones which were also equal in length. And then for 3C, it says, when can a rhombus be called a square? A rhombus can be called a square when it has 4 right angles. So this square, let's just kind of flip it, this square and this one, they could be considered rhombuses, vice versa. The rhombus could be considered a square because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. So that's that. And last but not least, we have 3D. When can a kite also be called a square? And this is when all 4 sides are equal in measure and all of the angles measure 90. So again, a kite can be called a square when all 4 sides are equal in measure and all the angles equal 90 degrees. So that was that. That was your lesson today. It was super short, sweet, and to the point. But yeah, another reminder, like I said in the beginning, we do have a Google Meet today. This is my last video that I am posting for you. Sadly, it is the end of my student teaching, but that is okay. Like I said, we will talk more about that on the Google Meet, but don't forget to hop on. Please, 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 I would love to see all of you and say my last goodbyes to all of you. Not last goodbyes. Hopefully I'll see you all at some point, somewhere or another. But yeah, so hop onto that Google Meet from 10 to 10:30. We'll do a Kahoot. We'll have some fun for my last day, even though it's not the most ideal last day, but that's okay. We're going to make the most out of it. Keep up the good work. You are all doing absolutely amazing, and I will hopefully see you all very, very soon.